Hey boys and ghouls, be sure and check out the brand new episode of Graveyard Carz next Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 Pacific. Let's just say in this episode, there is a failure to communicate.
This week on Graveyard Carz, a 440 pack is installed in this long-awaited 1970 Roadrunner.
The owner inherited it from his friend who passed away.
Dougie and Alyssa take some time to catch up as they begin the installation of this drivetrain.
How are your grandkids?
They're doing good, all 8 of them.
Jeez.
But Alyssa begins to question why she was assigned to this job in the first place.
Knowing my dad, he's up to some evil plan.
And when Mark offers to help out with the engine, his ulterior motives reveal themselves.
Mark is always up to something.
I am going to raise the engine and the transmission by means of this
It
forklift.
seems like this is a lot of nonsense.
What is Alyssa's connection to this engine build? And why is Mark determined to give her a hard time?
This is like interrogational torture. You break them down.
Find out on this week's all-new episode of Graveyard Carz.
They're coming to get you, Barbara.